How are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing well and you all are being safe. Okay, okay, good. Sorry about no video last week. Last week was my birthday and I listened to Harry Potter audiobooks. Look, okay, look, don't come at me. All right. Do not like she who wrote the books. But before all of that came out about her, I was a big Harry Potter fan. I still am a big Harry Potter fan. I grew up with Harry Potter. When the books first came out, Harry Potter was turning 11. I was 11 when they came out. So literally grew up with it. Okay? Don't support her, but love Harry Potter. Okay? Okay. Um, but yeah, so I just played a nice, relaxing, help anxiety game called it's a power washing game. I know it's silly, but hey, don't knock it until you try it. Okay. Love that game. Especially when I got a good uh audiobook going. So that's what I've been doing. But I did get out to the El Dorado store across town yesterday and I did get me some more yarn. Not all on, just got some white, pink, and this teal. I am making another bag because I sold the bag that I made that I showed you guys last time. So happy. So happy. And they were asking for others. So just gonna make bags. I think they're fun. I'm trying to pay more attention to what it is I'm doing so that like maybe I could write a pattern. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. Okay. So, with all that being said, um, this weekend was a very crazy weekend. The weekend after my birthday. It was a very crazy weekend. It was a horrible weekend for the world. We, Mouse and I, were hoping, we were so hoping that we were wrong and that we were overreacting and over exaggerating what we thought was going to happen. And that's one of the things that we were worried about happening. And one of the big reasons why we moved down here. So crazy. Please be safe. Please. Please be safe. Okay? So, yeah, I don't know what we are going to be doing this week. I'm but we're trying to take you guys along with us. Hey, a few days later, we haven't really been doing a whole lot this week because it's been raining, which we knew was gonna happen. We knew. Um, but it was raining a lot, so we've just been staying in. But I have been working on this on my bag. It's a big bag. It's gonna be a big. Okay. But yeah. So just been either crocheting or listening to Harry Potter and just watching the rain. It's been great. Uh, I have also been doing a lot of thinking and listening to, looking in more into some philosophy, listening to philosophers, and just really got me thinking. One thing that I have, all right, so I've been thinking a lot about like how we are going against the norms. Like people think we're crazy for what we're doing, and we are crazy, but what we're doing is not wrong. It's not bad. It's what just because society says that this is not what we're supposed to be doing, we're doing something wrong. No. Society teaches you from a young age that you have to work your entire life. You have to go to the office every single day. You have to work 40 plus hours a week and you will be happy. Yes, there are some people out there that find their dream jobs, and really, if you find your dream job, if you love what you are doing, then it's not a job. It is a job, you get paid for it and everything, but you enjoy it. And if you find that, you are lucky. You are so incredibly lucky. But getting up every day, dreading going to work, counting down the hours until you get to go home, then you're working 40 plus hours a week, and whenever you get home, you're so tired. You're so tired. You don't feel like doing anything. I know myself, whenever I was home, I was too tired to do anything. I didn't want to go out. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to sit at home and crochet. Which, yes, I do love crocheting. I do not. I would love crochet. But sometimes I didn't even feel like doing that. I was too tired. Wasn't necessarily happy. I was happy, but I knew that there was more. There could be more out there, and why not? Why not go against society? Why not go against what everyone is raised to think is what you have to do? You don't have to get up every day and go to an office, go to a factory. every single day. Yes, you get paid. And yes, it is important to get paid because everybody's got bills that they've got to do and they got to pay and but really it's like the more money you make, the more bills you're gonna have because you're like, oh, now I can get this, but you got to pay payments on it. Oh, you can do this, but you got to pay more for this, and you just get stuck in that loop. You get stuck in the loop of working to pay off your bills, to pay off your loans. And you make more money, and then you get more bills, and you get more loans, and it's an ever going loop. So we just decided that we were gonna break that loop. We were like, we've had this idea for years, and we finally got that last little push to be like, now's your time to do it. We listened to the environment, we listened to the universe, and now we're in, we're in Belize. Never thought that we would be anywhere outside of where we were. We dreamed about it, but we never thought that that's what we would do. And now we're here. We're working on making something that is going to be wonderful. It's wonderful now, but we're just getting started. And yeah, it's we're gonna make a wonderful community, and it's just because it's not what society says that we should do. It's doesn't mean it's wrong. This is right. This is where we're at, and we are going to do it. My yarn is all tangled, but um, we're not there yet, but we're getting there. We are getting closer and closer, and we're gonna get there. And then I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to learn my new daily routine living in a jungle in the tropics in the Caribbean. I can't wait to learn that routine and be able to be in nature every single day, surrounded by trees, surrounded by wildlife. I I can't wait, and I can't wait to show you guys. You will learn my new routine with me and see our property grow, see our community grow, and I can't wait. It's gonna be so wonderful. It's gonna be amazing. And all because we decided that we didn't have to listen to society. We didn't have to do what society tells us that we need to do. We stepped out of the norm. And I just hope that this inspires others. This inspires you to make that step. Do what you have always dreamed about doing, even though you think Oh no, but what if I fail? There's always gonna be what ifs. Always gonna be what ifs. I still think about what ifs all the time. But you gotta push past that because you don't know. You don't know what is going to happen. You can do everything exactly as planned out, and that what ifs could still happen. There's always what ifs, no matter what. Make that step. Take that jump. Follow your dreams. Who's telling you you can't? Who's telling you you can't climb a mountain? Who's telling you you can't pack up everything and move to another country? Who says you can't go out and live in nature? Sister, you can do what makes you happy. Do what you want to do. And if it doesn't work out, then okay. You have one hell of a story though, don't you? You have, you tried and you learned from it. So follow your dreams and just, yeah.
Oh, and you have coding computer camp. I signed him up for a lot of camps. Then basketball, mom. Then basketball. Basketball. See, you have black spots. Those little spots I just noticed. Ah, ¿verdad que esa una se parte así de